I've been seeing a lot on these so-called quote-unquote survival channels on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, you know, where they are trying to make fish hooks out of pull tabs on a soda pop can. Well, I am going to try to do that today. And as you see, I got my tab, I cut it apart, and now I'm just trying to figure out how am I going to get it with my multi-tool. So now once I figured it all out, I started cutting it, and then we'll sharpen it down, make sure it's got a real sharp edge on it. Now, got the real sharp edge, basic outline, so I'm going to bend that middle part around. I'm going to use the file on my multi-tool to go ahead and try to make a barb on this hook so the hook won't come out. And I haven't seen them try to do that on the videos. Most of the time, you never see anybody try to fish with this. So now I'm going to use the awl, AWL, and drill a hole in the top of the hook. Now let's make another one. This time I am going to use the tab off of like a chicken can, and I'm going to speed this up 1500%. So you don't have to sit there and be bored to death with me making another hook. But I did it the same exact way, and this one is extremely heavy duty compared to the other one. It's a lot stronger of a hook, and I did it the same way, same everything. I sharpened it up with the file on the multi-tool, and I actually sharpened it up to where it would cut through the skin to go into the fish's mouth if they bit it and took off with it. So here we go. Next, we're going to go ahead and make a little bit of string. I got that little tool that is perfect for making string out of a plastic bottle. Check this out. We got the new Bobcat from Tony Powers. This dude is an awesome little knife. And we're going to come right on up here and just cut that thing all the way around. Now we got this little device here from Groom Workshop, and it actually makes cordage out of your plastic bottles. So there we go, we got some fishing string now. Now let's tie it onto the hook. Of course, I'm fishing in my catfish pond. And I'm given the best opportunity to try out this little hook right here. And I got it rigged up, I got a camera down in there, and then I got a weight on here, and we got the hook. And so I'm using a piece of this stuff right here. This is beef jerky, and I'm going to throw it in there in front of the other camera to see if I can get a good view of it. All right, so we got the string that we cut out of a plastic bottle here, and here goes nothing. There we go. Oh, something took it. What was it? All right, so that did not work. That hook, he hit it real hard, but it turned the hook real sideways like that. So
I don't think we'll try another piece and throw it out there. I don't think this hook works, to be honest with you. I really do not. Oh, got it. Oh, he pulled it. Let's see what it did. I don't know. It didn't straighten out that time. See, it didn't straighten out. Let's do it again. Hopefully Ranger ain't up here eating all my stuff. There we go, far out there. I need like a cane pole or limb or something to put it on. Oh, son, he hit it hard. And no, it did not take the hook. And did not take the bait. Let's do it again. Maybe we'll get one in just a second that'll just go ahead and take it and that hook will lodge. We will see. Like the first time it hit, it bent the hook. I mean, it completely bent the hook. So there was no possible way to catch a fish with that hook. Yep, he took off running with it. And as I figured, it straightened the hook. So let's try the other one. Okay. So now I got the bigger one on here. We're going to go ahead and put a bigger piece of stuff on here for it. There we go. There we go. Way out there where the catfish are now. Oh, he hit it. He hit it. Come on, take it. There we go. Got it. Ah. Let's see if he took the hook. No. All right, guys. So here is my thoughts on this. This is off of like a tuna fish can or grilled chicken can or something. This one is the stronger of the two. This was a strong hook and it bent. This one is a soda pop lid and it bent. And these are very sharp. I filed them. And I'll be honest with you, I mean, if I had to sit all day and try to see if I can catch a bluegill or something small, I don't know if you're going to be able to do it with these hooks. You cannot catch a catfish with them because they bend the hooks. And so if you have something big, yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, it's on every survival book in the world, but it is not. So if somebody has caught one, please give me a link and show me. But, you know, making the cordage is cool and trying to fish with it. So let's see if we can do the same thing with a gorge hook. Since we got these two and these, we know these ain't working, let's use a gorge hook.